Welcome back. This is Saul again with the Porsche Macan project. Today I have my son. He's going to be doing the next couple of videos. But in today's video, we're going to be doing an air intake modification as well as installing an aftermarket one. And he's going to go into every single step, and then we're going to talk about it at the end. Let's get to it. Well, hope you enjoyed the video for today. We went ahead and installed the air intake and modified it. It's pretty easy modification, and it's pretty common in the Macan community. So we just wanted to share the how-to on how to do that, and then our opinion on the aftermarket install. essentially, we love it. We feel like the car has more responsiveness to it, and there's a sound as well that you could hear it, especially when you open up this window. There's a sucking noise, if you will, that is very prominent that it wasn't there before. So it adds a little bit to the sportiness of the car, and also gives you that feeling that you are driving that turbo vehicle. So we like it so far. So the next video we're going to be talking about the pedal commander and the how to install it, and he's going to be doing that modification for us. And like and subscribe.